In this video, I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Soundcloud PC. So let's go to extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. Just search extension Night Theme Dark Mode and just click that. Then after that, just add that to Chrome. And once it's done, just add extension. And once you completed that, Night Theme is added to your extension in Chrome. So as you can see, we can also use that later. But furthermore, I have to log in to my SoundCloud, for example. And then, as you can see this, if I turn on or if I use night theme dark mode, as you can see, and you're good. If you use that and also use above, you can also use that also. Use for reading and dark mode. And that's it.